If you want to search songs on Redmi 15, then you can use circle to search, which can be activated by pressing and holding this home button over here, or the navigation handlebar if you use gestures instead. Now you can tap on this icon over here that we have at the bottom of the screen, and now you can play, sing or hum a song in order to get the Google search results of that song, if of course Google can recognize this song. And that's pretty much it. In addition to that, instead of using circle to search, you can also open the control center, and then you can swipe up over here in order to press edit. And over here we can find song search in app toggles, so we can select it, and you should be able to add it to the list over here. And if you press check, then you can just tap on this button over here in order to turn it on or off and start searching for a song. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.